That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, good morning. Today is Wednesday. It's Veterans Day today. So big shout out to the troops and everyone that is involved in the safekeeping of our life. But let's talk about this video. I'm so out of breath. I'm so tired. But anyway, today I'm going to be making baby food for the first time. Logan here has not had any pureed foods yet. She's only had the egg yolks and some rice cereal. And I just want to be honest with you guys. I've never had to pay for baby food. I was on a program with Lucas. It was called WIC, Women, Infant and Children, and you can get vouchers and you would get your baby food that way. So I am not on that program with Logan, and I was looking at the process of baby food and I'm like, oh my god, this can't happen. You know, if I can do it myself, I will, because I am big on, if you don't want to pay, you create. If you can't pay, create. So it's not that I can't pay, it's just that it's a lot of money that will be going into feeding her, and I feel like I could do it just as good, if not better, with fresh ingredients and such like that. And if I can't handle the whole prep of it all, then definitely I will be buying her baby food. But for right now, I just want to give it a try and see how it goes, and if I don't like it, I'm gonna go to the store and get her baby food. But if you wanted to see how it turns out for me, let's get into it. If you enjoy it, give it a big thumbs up. If you are new here, subscribe, because my Christmas videos are coming soon, y'all, and the DIYs are right around the corner. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. But yeah, let's get into the kitchen. Okay, so first thing first, I do have some apples here, and I did some research and I saw that the Gala or the Gala apples are the best and sweetest to start out as far as making baby puree. So I got these from Walmart, and I also am going to start out with a vegetable. I think a sweet potato is a vegetable. Hey babe, is a sweet potato a vegetable?
Yeah.
Okay, so a sweet potato is a vegetable. Sugarfoot is still here. He might actually peel some apples for me, because I don't like, I've never used a peeler before, and I'm scared I might cut myself. But anyway, I bought 2 sweet potatoes, and yeah.
Put your hands on my back, boy. Lead me to the brightest of my days. Wrap your arms around me, boy. Give me all the comfort that I crave, and I will follow you anywhere, anywhere you go. I'll follow you, follow you. I will follow you anywhere, anywhere you go. I'll follow you, I'll follow you. Put your lips against mine, boy. 'Cause I have lost a little bit of faith. I got lost in the darkness. Now I count on you to set me straight. I will follow you anywhere, anywhere you go. I'll follow you, follow you. I will follow you anywhere, anywhere.
Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Vicious presenting.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa.
Let's go.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget, no.
Forget what?
When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. I lose control of myself, can't find you anywhere. Been trying for too long. I give up, I'm out of luck. Been looking everywhere, it doesn't make sense, no.
So bring it back.
Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I did.
Okay, so Logan just finished her first puree that I made, and she did really good. I tasted it before I gave it to her just to make sure that the temperature was right, and I just wanted to see the flavor of it, which it was nothing but apples. But anyway, it was good, and so I'm just going to finish prepping the sweet potato, and I think I'm gonna freeze that. I may do like 1 or 2 containers of it in the little 4-ounce Rubbermaid containers, and yeah, I'm gonna finish prepping that up.
Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah. With you, there are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. I can feel that you're changing me. Day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased. like to be a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah.
That concludes this day's video of making baby food with me. Like I said, it was my first time. I've never even used that little bullet knockoff, so I think I did pretty well. You saw me add water when necessary. I think I got the consistency right. I will try to perfect it, and once I start adding more fruits and vegetables, I did have some peaches, but I didn't want to prepare those just yet. I just want her to see, I just want to see if she's allergic to the apples or the sweet potatoes. Hopefully she isn't allergic to anything, because Lucas wasn't allergic to any food. He was eating everything. But yeah, I just want her to get through those two first, and then I'll move on to other things. So if you like this video and you want to see another more smoke and mirrors, more glamorous making of this, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. Also, let me know down in the comments if you have ever made baby food for your kids, and let me know if there's anything that I should be implementing in this process. I do have breast milk for occasions where I don't want to use the water to make it thinner. I would say that's what I'm saving my breast milk for. And also when I feed her cereal, I didn't really want to use my breast milk for this food process. But just give me any tips if you have any, and subscribe with that notification bell turned on. Share this video if you thought it was helpful, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.